example. So here is the product. You can see I sold it just recently, okay, and but pay attention please here on the price. I didn't start with 1066, I started with the 975, okay, which means on Amazon this product is for $7.99, okay. But this is how you go. You have to start generating sales and you have to grab attention to make the product hot, okay. So here you see 977, and then a couple sales I made here, and then I start raising the price, okay. So now the price is 1066, and this is the way how you make your product, any product basically. It doesn't matter if your keywords and your title and your description. You see, I even didn't have yet the eBay getters this strategy connected, but if your keywords and if your title and item specifics align with the powerful keywords, you can do this very simple with any item, with every item you listed. Well, of course you have to follow the common sense and to find out on Amazon, as I teach you, if this product particularly is hot in the market. So, but you know already that this takes only less than 2 minutes to find out for each product. All right, so you can try to do this. I will put the keywords. I can do let me just do some test here, okay. So here's the title. You need a little bit to tweak the title, but I will gonna give you my exact keywords. I will put somewhere below this video. You will find there is should be the exact keywords what I'm using for it, okay. So another thing is I want to mention here. You see how the this oops, there is some products I have been bought. You see how the pictures goes here. Those pictures, don't try to use them because or use them as little as you can, because you see I have this picture I made. You can make a little bit different picture and just to be authentic, okay, because authenticity is very important for eBay's radar to set you up, or they will gonna let you somewhere below authentic those creators, okay. So that's another point. All right, so watch for the, you can find out my keywords. If you want, you can use them, it's okay, but you have to make a little tweak in the title as well, okay. And try to test it, how it works for you. Sell it and let me know. See you on the next video.